Today we're introducing the ultimate and most advanced ceramic grill in the world.
This sleek first-class cooker can do it all. We're talking grilling, barbecuing, searing, roasting, and even baking all on the same grill. I've been barbecuing and cooking all over this great country, and I know this grill is going to take your taste buds to a whole new level.
The Monolith is the only ceramic charcoal grill that includes our advanced temperature control technology to create the most advanced ceramic grill in the world. Guru's temperature control technology solves the two most common problems of cooking outdoors: regulating your grill's temperature and accurately monitoring your food temperature.
In other words, it does the work for you and eliminates the guesswork of knowing when your food is done. So say goodbye to tough, chewy, and dried out meat, because soon you'll be barbecuing smarter, achieving that juicy, succulent, and tender barbecue we all crave and love.
It allows you to insert smoke chips for smoke flavoring directly over the hot charcoal without even having to raise the lid. And with just 5 pounds of charcoal, the Monolith can cook low and slow for up to 24 hours.
If you're looking for a way to make the perfect barbecue, this is the secret weapon.
All you have to do is set your cooking temperature and your food done temperature, and the Monolith will notify you when the food is done.
It takes the guesswork, stress, and confusion out of the long cooking times. You can control and monitor this thing without even lifting a finger.
The CyberQ Cloud works with Amazon's Alexa voice services.
You can ask Alexa questions like, what's my pit temperature? What's the temperature of the food? How much time is left on my timer? You need to get your hands on this. It's the outdoor kitchen of the future and a complete game changer.
Are you ready to experience the future of outdoor cooking?
Then check out all the great features, accessories, and available models at monolithgrills.com.